Hey there and welcome to a new video series. Now this video series will be about the Helio flight controller, the Helio Spring. Thanks to Helio for sending me the sample. So the first video will be about the hardware layout, what's different on this flight controller, and where to connect things, and just talk about the FC. So as you can see, the FC is quite a normal flight control with some rubber standoffs and a USB port and some chips on it, so that's nothing too fancy. You have your USB port, you have your current LED connections, ground, buzzer connections. On this side you have your power connection with some solder pads for VBAT, or if you want to use pure 5 volt. And you can use your RX power. Your camera control pin is also on here, your dedicated S port and S bus port, so you don't need any non-inverted hex on your RX. Then you have your TX1, RX1, TX2, RX2 up to UART5, so 1, 2, 3 and 5. You have a 8-pin connector for your 4-in-1 flight ESCs with motor output, current sensing, and also the VBAT connection, ground connection is in here. You have some pins here just for the development of this FC, so for flashing. And on the sides or the upper side you have your motor signal pads, and on the bottom side you have your signal ground pads. And about the chips, you have normal Betaflight OSD chip on this FC. You have an F4 or 5 CPU on it. You have a 60 megabytes memory flash on it to store black box logs. You have a power supply to have a regulated 5 volt output, and you have a gyro on it. That's a 40k gyro on it, and you have this little chip, and that chip is the magic sauce about this FC. So that's an F3 CPU, normal F3 like the old one had. And so the gyro gets all the data and send it to the F3, and the F3 is all the filtering for the signal, and after the filtering is done, it's giving the signal to the F4. So the F4 sees the F3 as its gyro, and it's not a gyro, so that's the magic thing about this flight control. So you can run 40k gyro, 40k pit loop and Betaflight on this FC, which was not capable before, and you don't need to even overclock the F4. So there's plenty of CPU left with the F4, so it's more powerful even than an F7 at the moment. And that's so the special thing about this flight control. It will come delivered with Betaflight firmware on it. So you have a really buttery flight there. That's it for the first part. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, or just join the Helio RC help and support Slack channel. I will post the link below. And leave a like if you like that, and follow my next videos. Thanks, bye bye.